I just received a magic arm for my review, and this thing is super cool. Now, if you don't know what a magic arm is, this is it right here. You probably still don't know what a magic arm is. Unless you're a content creator, you're going to really be like, oh yeah, I always wanted this. So this will attach to any type of desk. And look at that. You do have a lot of width here. So I'm gonna attach it right here, and I'm gonna show you everything that this thing does because it is super cool. So we're gonna secure it. And once it's secure, the reason why they call this a magic arm is very simple. It's because it's able to do so many different things with its ball joints. And the ball joints are right here. So you've got one right here, you've got one right here, and you've got the third one up top over here, which is really cool. So what does that mean? It means that it can actually move in so many directions. And then once you lock it into place, it's not going anywhere, which is great because in my case, I'm always looking for that best like top angle, that over the top, like over the desk angle with the camera, obviously with the phone as well, and I will show you the attachment that comes with it. But let's settle it right there. So look at that. I can actually bring it up like this. And then once I'm ready and I'm good to go, and this is the position I want, I secure it. This is not going anywhere now. I'm gonna do the second one. So I'm gonna make sure that it's going to be, let's go like here. Yeah, let's go like that, like that. Perfect, now it's secured. This is not moving, this is not moving. Now this is still, I can hear it, still moving. Now the cool thing with this is there are two different attachments. One for your phone, you've recognized this one. You might not recognize this one, but some people will. This one here is for a GoPro. So of course, GoPros are great because they're tiny and you can actually have them for like top downs. But this is not only good for top downs, by the way. If you're looking to do a talking head video and you don't have a tripod, you want to just have this attached anywhere. You might be traveling and want to attach it in your hotel room. You can do that and pretty much attach it anywhere you want and be able to do your talking head really professionally. So these two will attach the same way, as you can see right here. And I'm going to attach this one right here. And look at this. It's so simple. I'm going to go and make sure that there you go. And again, everything is adjustable, everything is super secure. So once you're in that position that you want, by the way, look at this, another position, I can go this is so cool. So I can make sure that I'm so straight. So I'm gonna make sure like this, perfect. I'm happy here and this extends. I've got let's be honest, a very heavy phone here. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max and look at that. I've got my top-down view. Of course, I could use my back camera. That would probably be best. We're gonna go it like that. And now I've got my top-down view. In a matter of seconds, I can readjust it anywhere I want. I could literally go, okay, well, let me go bring it down. Let me bring it back up. I twist it and I know it is secure. I think this thing is great. It's going to be something that is truly portable. It is made of metal, which I think is fantastic because of course it's gonna last a lot longer and can withstand more weight as well. But yeah, this thing, super cool. If you're a content creator or if you just want to try and do kind of different shots, this is it.